Kia ora Year 12. This is a question from the 2018 A-level paper, paper 33, and it's just a wee algebra problem. It's actually one that you could nearly do with level 2 thinking. So showing all necessary working, solve this equation here. So what you've got to spot here is that you've got a quadratic. The easiest way to proceed is to say let u equals 5 to the power of x. Now the reason I see that is because here I've got 5 to the power of 2x, which we can think of as 5 to the power of x squared, right? So if we rewrite it with that substitution, we get u squared equals u plus 5. So that takes me back to a straightforward quadratic. U squared minus u minus 5 equals 0, and I'm going to use the quadratic formula. So u will be negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So substituting in, I get 1 plus or minus this simplifying, that gives me u is equal to 1 plus root 21 on 2, or 1 minus root 21 divided by 2. But we know that u was just a substitution we did. So u is equal to 5 to the power of x, which is always positive. So we've only got one solution for u. U is equal to 1 plus root 21 over 2, because this one here is negative. Now we have to solve for x, so we've got 5 to the power of x is equal to 1 plus root 21 on 2. I need to take logs of both sides. So x log 5 is equal to the log of this. So it doesn't matter what base I use for my log, so I've just left that blank, which means that we're implicitly using log to base 10. So x is equal to this, so that's the exact answer, but we were asked in the question to give it to, where are we, 3 significant figures, or 3 decimal places, sorry. So be really careful with how you round. You don't want to chuck marks away here, so we need to put that in our calculator. Be careful when you do that, that you're doing the whole of that divided by 2, right, and you should get an answer of 0.638 to 3 decimal places.